Hi, I'm Govindaraj, Managing Director and founder of Caddons Computer Services Private Limited. We started providing 64 kbps of internet services lease line to our enterprise customers in 2003, and the same customers are today using multiples of STMs with Tata Group. The journey evolved into a very rewarding and solid association over the period of years, which had all the elements required for a very successful delivery of services to our customers. The system has a solid escalation matrix, and customer can reach the president of the company to resolve if required. And this is the most transparent system which we have in the dealer system. Regular training and workshops have given us tremendous opportunities to continuously learn about the industry. The partner engagement framework is very thoughtfully designed to deliver success to partners, and Caddons thoroughly enjoys the association. Trust, reliability and transparent support system is the USP of this network.